Welcome all students. Today we are going to see exercise from heredity and evolution. Science second first lecture first lesson. Okay. First question is given that choose the correct alternative. Okay, you have to choose one correct alternative. Right? The first question is which of the following nitrogenous base is not present in DNA? Not present in DNA. Okay, thymine, adenine, guanine is present in DNA. Uracil is not present. Okay, uracil is not present. So the answer is B, uracil. Okay, then second question is adenine can pair with which of the following nitrogenous bases? Adenine, what is the matching pair, joining pair of adenine? It is one is uracil and second is thymine. Thymine is in DNA and uracil in RNA. So both B and C. The option D is right. D is right. Okay, then next, RNA does not contain, what is not present in RNA? A is deoxyribose, B is phosphate, C is adenine, and D is uracil. The answer is deoxyribose. Right, the answer is deoxyribose. It is not present in RNA. It is present in DNA. Next, transfer of information from DNA to mRNA is called as dash process. It is called as A is translocation, B is mutation, C is transcription, D is translation. Here the answer is C, transcription is right answer. Okay. Next, fifth, which of the following types of RNA carries information from genes to the ribosome? mRNA, tRNA, rRNA, all the above. The answer is mRNA. Okay, which of the following types of RNA carries information from genes to the ribosome? Genes, from genes to ribosome, it is mRNA. Now sixth question, the origin of the universe is explained by A is Darwin theory, B is Big Bang theory, C is speciation, D is Lamarckism. The origin of the universe, okay, it is explained by Big Bang theory. It is explained by Big Bang theory. Seventh question, which of the following is our unicellular organism? Unicellular, amoeba, chlorella, paramecium, all of the above. Yes, amoeba and paramecium in animal, it is a unicellular, and chlorella is a plant, it is a unicellular. The option of 7 is D. Okay, all of above are organisms which are unicellular. Okay, next, 8, vestigial organ that is present in human body is proof of evolution. What is the name of that vestigial organ? It is appendix. Yes, right, it is appendix. The appendix is useful in ruminants for digestion of which of the following components? Okay, ruminants, या animals मध्ये appendix is necessary. It is for vestigial organ for us, but it is useful in ruminants. And which compound it digests? A is fats, B is cellulose, C is proteins, and D is glycogen. Then it digests cellulose. Okay. Now next, digestion is a connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. We already see. Okay. Which is A is duckbill platypus, B is peripatus, C is lungfish, and D is whale. The answer is peripatus. Okay. Peripatus is connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. Now 11. Connecting links suggest that amphibians have evolved from A is mammals, B is reptiles, C is fishes, and D is aves. Aves means birds. Okay, mammals, fishes, reptiles, and aves. What is the correct answer? It is fishes. Yes, it is fishes. Next, theory of inheritance of acquired character is also known as Lamarckism, natural selection, speciation, translocation. Yes, theory of inheritance of acquired characters. Okay, the example is giraffe, right? So it is Lamarckism. 13 question. Modern man differs from Australopithecus in which of the following aspects? Presence of tail, B use of hands for eating food, increased brain size, all of the above. Modern man differs from Australopithecus. In which aspect it is differ? The answer is increased brain size. Okay, increased brain size. Now next, complete the paragraph. You have given paragraph here, you have to complete it, right? All the questions you must write down in your notebook. Okay, there are options are given to in bracket to Ramapithecus, modern sciences, 7 Neanderthal man, lemurs, agriculture, orangutans. Okay, now first the last dinosaurs disappeared approximately dash crore years ago. What is that? 7. Okay, 7 crore years ago, right? Monkey like animals are said to have evolved from some ancestors who were similar to modern lemurs. Okay, modern lemurs. The first human-like animal with erect posture evolved about dash crore years ago. 2 crore years ago. The first record of this human-like ape is dash from East Africa. It is Ramapithecus from East Africa. Ramapithecus. Dash man can be considered as the first member of the class wise man, which is that Neanderthal man. Okay, Neanderthal man. About 10,000 years ago, wise man started to practice dash agriculture as agriculture. Okay. Now next, name the following. You have to tell the name. Okay, there are total 6 questions. Okay, the question first: genetic disorder that is caused by mutation. Genetic disorder, it's also completed in 9th standard, right? Then genetic disorder that is caused by mutation due to change the position of genes. Nucleotides. Okay, change the place of nucleotides. Genetic disorder. The answer is sickle cell anemia. Okay, sickle cell anemia. Second, first living material formed in ocean. What is that? Living material, it is protoplasm. Yes, right, protoplasm. Third, remnants and impressions of organisms that remain preserved underground. What we call it? It is impressions and remnants in earth crust. We call it as fossils. Okay. Fourth, method used in paleontology and anthropology for determining the age of the fossils by measuring C14 radioactivity. That method is called as carbon dating. Okay, the ratio we can check, ratio of C14 to C12, because C14 is radioactive, C12 is not radioactive. So ratio is changes, and that method is called as carbon dating. Now fifth, plants and animals that show some morphological characters by which they are related to different groups. Okay, for different groups, what we called it? Yes, that are connecting links. 6, book published by Darwin explained evolution through natural selection. What is the name of that book? The name of that book is Origin of Species. Yes, Origin of Species. Now next question, true and false. Okay, you have to tell true or false. First question, Francois Jacob and Jacques Monod proposed a model for the process of protein synthesis. True or false? Yes, it is true. The causality behind the sudden changes was understood due to mutation principle of Hugo de Vries. True or false? Yes, it is also true. Third, the proof for the fact that protein synthesis occurs through gene was given by George Biddle and Edward Tatum. It is true or false? It is true. Yes, it is true. Now fourth, information about protein synthesis is stored in the tRNA. Fourth, it is false. Okay, information about protein synthesis is not stored in tRNA. Now fifth, proteins are synthesized by DNA through RNA. Is it true or false? Proteins are synthesized by DNA through RNA. It is true. 6. During transcription, the sequence of nucleotides in mRNA is complementary to the DNA strand used for synthesis. It is true or false? It is again true. tRNA has anticodon with complementary sequence to the codon on mRNA. Yes, it is also true. 8. mRNA is formed in the nucleus and transferred to the cytoplasm for translation. mRNA is formed in the nucleus and transferred to the cytoplasm for translation. Yes, it is again true. 9. Gradual development of plants and animals from ancestors having different structural and functional organization is called evolution. Yes, it is a definition for evolution. 10. Under changing environment, sudden development of new tissues and organs occur in living organisms. It is false, because under changing environment, gradual changes occur in existing tissues and organs in living organism. 11. Fossils of invertebrates indicates they originated in the Cenozoic era. No, it is false. Fossils of invertebrates indicates they originated in the Paleozoic era. Okay. (12) Appendix is a fully functional organ in ruminants. Yes, it's true. It is useful for ruminants. It is vestigial for us. 13. Reptiles and amphibians have evolved from mammals. False, because mammals have evolved from reptiles and amphibians have evolved from fishes. 14. Darwin's theory of natural selection explained evolution with respect to useful and useless modifications. False. Darwin's theory of natural selection did not explain useful and useless modifications. 15. Based on the observations of plants and animals, Darwin suggested that only the fittest organizations survive. Yes, it's true. 16. According to Lamarck, the characters which are acquired by the organism during the lifetime are passed on the next generation. Yes, it is drawback of Lamarck, right? Okay. 17. Long neck of giraffe is an example of Lamarckism. Yes, it is true. It is example of Lamarckism. 18. Genetic variation is responsible for formation of new species from earlier ones. Yes, again it is true. Now last. 19. Geographical isolation leads to speciation. Yes, yesterday we already see that geographical isolation leads to speciation.